Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So let's get right into this video today. I have cuticle oil all over my nails and on my cuticle areas, and that's so my nails don't adhere fully and I'll get lifting probably in a few days, and that's exactly what I want because after the weekend I'll want these to come off and I'll want to do a new set. So I have my C-curve nail tips that I'm going to cure on with my base coat, and then I'm going to go in with my Kiss tip cutters and cut them a little bit down. And then once I do that, I'm going to go in with my straight edge nail trimmers and clip them to my almond / stiletto shape that I want. But there are two things that I want to address in this video first before I get into any other talking, and that is one, I hit 1,000 subscribers last night at midnight and I was so excited. It was, like I said, like midnight, and I woke up my boyfriend and I'm like, oh my god, I hit 1,000, and I just wanted to really thank you guys because it really does mean a lot to me. Like I said, it's something that I really love doing, and to be able to share it with someone that loves it just as much as I do is a really great feeling. And I'm so glad that you guys appreciate and enjoy all the videos that I make because it's something that I love doing, and I think it's something that you guys enjoy watching, hopefully, I guess. So that's the first thing I wanted to say, is I just wanted to really truly thank you guys for all of the support and getting me to my 1,000 mark. I really do appreciate it. And the second thing that I wanted to address was my voice. I woke up this morning with a really stuffy nose. I don't know if it's allergies or if it's just a common cold. I know I'm not like sick, if you know what I mean, but yeah, so if my voice is kind of annoying in this video, I do apologize. But I'm just putting on my base coat. Sorry, I was talking over it, and then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. The polygel I'm using in today's video is the Ohuhu Polygel in the shade P1. It's a pretty natural sheer pink color. And then look at this new dampen dish I got, guys. It's so cute for my rubbing alcohol, and I love that it has a top on it so my slip solution doesn't just evaporate, but I'm so excited about it. I'm going to squeeze out my polygel out of the tube onto my finger directly, and then I'm going to explain to you guys a little bit how I get the perfect application. First, I will focus it on my cuticle, so I will get that portion of my nail completely perfect. I'll get it really flush up in my cuticle, and then what I'll do is I will start patting the polygel sideways. So I go in a horizontal motion, so I go like pat from side to side, and that's going to really help with your apex. And then once I have my apex high enough and the polygel is evenly spread from sidewall to sidewall, then I will start my dragging motion and drag it down towards the tip. So when our beautiful application is complete, I'm going to take off the tacky layer of all my nails with my rubbing alcohol that I just have in a spray bottle, and I just use a clean paper towel to do this. And then I'm going to go in with my 100-180 grit hand file and file all of my nails. I'm going to file the sides of them, the tips of them, and then I'm going to buff the surface of them to make sure it's really smooth. And when you file the sides of your nails, you want to make sure that you don't file into your skin, because I've done that so many times and I end up cutting my skin and it really hurts. So you just want to be careful, make sure your file is at a good angle where it's not going to cut into your skin. And then also when you're buffing your nail, you want to make sure that your sidewalls are thin and your cuticle is thin. So if you have a buildup of product on the sidewalls, you want to make sure that you thin that down so that your nail has a nice gradient from the side where it's lower, and then it gets higher on your apex, and then as it goes down to the other side wall, the product is thinner. Here's our nails filed, shaped, and buffed, and let's move on to the really simple, cute design. So I'm going to put a base coat on the two nails that I'm going to do my design on. So that is my middle finger and my ring finger. I'm going to put on this base coat, and I'm not going to cure it at all. And this is so the marble design that we're going to do blends a lot better when you add the white polish. So my go-to white polish is the Beetles gel polish in the shade 894. It's just plain white and I love it. I'm going to go in with a thin nail art brush, and on a diagonal I'm going to just draw a couple little squiggled lines. And you want to make sure you do this on a diagonal. But I mean, I guess do whatever you want. If you want it straight across, then you can do that too. So now to get the marble effect, I'm dipping my brush in 100% acetone and just kind of thinning out this white polish and dispersing it until I like the way it looks. So I'm satisfied with this, and again, we are not going to cure it. I'm going to go in with these little gold flakies I have from Shein, and I saw one of my comments wanted to see a video for me testing out a bunch of nail products from Shein, and I just put it in an order the day before yesterday, so keep a lookout for that. My order is probably not going to be here until the beginning of June, but yeah, keep an eye out. So I'm just putting these little flakies on the white marble part where we did that, and I'm just putting a few, not too many, so it doesn't look too crowded. So I'm happy with this. Now you're going to cure it, and then I'm going to go in with my Beetles gel top coat, and here's what we are working with. I love these. They're really simple, but sometimes simplicity is key. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved filming it for you guys, and I'll see you next time.